I think it's a really good match when you have, of course, multiple systems, data spread out through your systems. Especially if you have data spread out in different, what do you say, like newer or and older systems. We see that many times still customers are using, for example, old ERP systems that's really hard to integrate with, or they actually have some data like they have price data in an Excel sheet. But then on top of that, they build a fancy, for example, order management system, or take whatever new nice system, and you want to integrate them and have them talk to each other. And as you said, have the data move through these systems in a really smooth way to actually combine the data.